2 days ago, everyone's super euphoric about HBAR breaking out and making new highs. However, we have had a 30% drop since then. Is the market over? Is HBAR going to collapse to zero? No, I'm telling you guys, HBAR looks amazing at this level, and I cannot wait to tell you why. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and we're going to dive right in. Now, on this HBAR chart, as you can tell, we have had a pretty monstrous drop. It increased very harshly, but we also had a very steep drop, to say the least. So we have lost around 30% of our value in the last 24 to 48 hours, and it doesn't look too good, right? We've lost this for our breaker and all that good stuff. But I'm not concerned, and this is the reason why. Whenever you have a chart where you do have some scary things going on, what you need to do is you need to zoom out and get a better perspective of what's going on. So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to go ahead and zoom out and see what's been going on, and is this level significant? Well, as you guys can tell, this was a 6-month of consolidation. 6 months of consolidation. We came through, finally broke out, and now we're doing what's called a bullish retest on the previous highs. And more importantly, we can actually single out the exact region as to where it is retesting from. This 4-hour breaker, which we talked about many times before, was confirmed as a breaker there, and once again there. We tested it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. And now, finally, once we get over to where our current price action is, we now have broken above and are doing what's called a bullish retest. This is a very healthy thing to do in any sort of a market. Remember, guys, it was 6 months of consolidation. We are going to explode upwards because the longer the consolidation, the more aggressive the expansion. All right. Once we did break out, we already had a pretty massive increase of around 50%. All right, that's not too bad, but we have a long ways to go. Now you may be saying, all right, that's great, but what other examples do you have of this happening? I have a ton of them. All right, bullish retests are very common throughout the market. Let's go ahead and look at DAG. All right, Constellation. This is a really good chart to look at because we had a very clean bullish retest on this chart. So you have this right here, pulled across. You can see the amount of interaction you have. Broke up from, came back down, and retested it. Okay, very clean retest. Another one we have is the all-time high right here. Okay, broke above, come back down. Look, retest. Now, in case we're not familiar what happened with DAG, it may not seem like much, but this is actually a logarithmic chart. You come up here from this retest, it went on ahead and did 1600%. Okay, bullish retests are very healthy in the market. Now, another example I'm going to show you is TEL. And TEL's a very unique chart because we got a ton of bullish retests. So, just to give you an idea, all-time high, tested it, got back above, retest, continued the upside. Okay, once again, made consolidation, came back above, retested, continued the upside. Okay, created another high, came back down, retest, and continuation of the upside. All right, and just to give you an idea, once again, this is a logarithmic chart from our first bullish retest to the upside is going to be around 12-ish thousand%. Okay, 12,000% after a bullish retest has taken place. No, I'm not at all concerned with HBAR. I think the chart still is totally fine on the high time frame. I'm not freaking out. Everything's okay. Now, worst case scenario, let's talk about what would actually make me bullish or bearish. Well, we have this level right here. This is our primary key bullish or breaker, right? This is the weekly breaker we've been talking about for a long time. It's not entirely unreasonable or even unhealthy for us to actually come back down and retest it, okay? So could we drop down to the 30s, test it, and then continue the upside? Yes, I would still be bullish here, okay? And before you're like, I can't handle that, you understand, we were just at this level a week ago, okay? Like, it's not that big of a deal, and these sorts of drops do happen in crypto. All right. Now, one more thing I'm going to show you guys is this. Okay. This was a clear range that was established on the BTC pairing chart. Okay, we can see, although we came up here and got above, we never actually closed above it. However, this past week, we had an absolute monstrous candle that absolutely cleared all of the previous highs. This is a massive show of strength, and this is another reason why I'm super bullish on this chart. All right, HBAR looks fine, guys. Don't stress, okay? If you are freaking out about, the amount of movement, maybe you're over positioned right now, okay? Also, what you can do is you can come on here and join the Discord. I have an HBAR chat, and I update people all the time on what's going on with HBAR and giving you guys the play-by-play. So I'd recommend joining the Discord server so I can help try to keep you at ease and all that good stuff and give you a play-by-play of what's going on. So outside of that, I'm going to let you guys go. Have a fantastic day. Be safe in the market, and I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.